Mountain of Roses, everyone. This is my presentation of intercultural communication activity. Cebu or Sugbu. The people in Cebu are called Cebuanos. Cebu is an island. Officially, the province of Cebu is a province of the Philippines located in the Central Visayas region and consists of a main island and 167 surrounding island and islet. Its capital is Cebu City, the Queen City of the South, the oldest city and the first capital of the Philippines, which is politically independent from the provincial government. Tourist attraction: Temple of Leia. The temple is a symbol of his undying love for his wife of 53 years, Leia Villa Albino Adarna. The temple has 24 chambers including a museum, an art gallery, and a library. Moreover, this place has Leia's favorite and personal belongings. In addition, Greek and Roman architectures are the inspiration of the temple. Statues of gigantic lions as well as the grand staircase with brass angel are decorous of this Taj Mahal of Cebu. What is Cebu known for? With its sugar-white beaches, azure waters, and pristine coral gardens, the island of Cebu in the Philippines is the perfect tropical escape. The island's paradise on Bantayan Island, the diving, swimming with the whale shark in Uslub, the waterfalls, the trekking and wildlife, the food. What are its citizens known for? Like Cebuanos characteristic. Cebuanos are very religious. Being religious is not only a Cebuano trait, but also a Filipino identity, all in all. However, as for being religious, Cebuano have taken religiosity to a different level. The Psychological Association of the Philippines has published an article on the Cebuano personality. The article says that Cebuano are espirituhanon. Yes, the people of Cebuano are known for their belief in supernatural, souls, and divine beings. They believe in the afterlife and have strong faith in God. Their religiosity is replicated in their festivities and dances. Another characteristics of Cebuanos are optimistic. Be mindful that optimism is different from being happy. Being optimistic. Cebuano are hopeful and have positive outlook. That's what keeps them going and what makes them grateful about almost anything. This is probably one Cebuano's characteristic that everyone should adopt. Hospitable. This is another personal trait that every Filipino shares. However, the Cebuano's hospitality is much more different and a little bit extra. The Cebuanos are hospitable and they want the world to know that. Research on the dance step during Cebu Festival showed that enduring hospitality of the Cebuanos, their hospitality is known shown their hands movement that depicts Thanksgiving. Another dance move that represents hospitality is gasa. It is a dance movement that involves the scooping of the hand and the swing of the arm upward and downward. What are the citizens known for? Proud outsiders have often misunderstood that this Cebuano characteristic. Many have thought that the Cebuanos are snobbish and have superiority complex. In reality, the Cebuanos are simply proud of their achievements. These people put so much importance on education, profession, and hard work. United. As much as the Cebuano love to flaunt their achievements, they are also helpful. There is a sense of coherence among the members of the Cebuano community. They want to help and they accept help wholeheartedly. Family members who do this share their work for the betterment of their families. Enduring. This is Cebuano characteristic that develop because of their proud personality and strong bond. Since the Cebuanos value education and want the best for their family, they would do anything and endure any hardships to give their family the best. They have to be strong for themselves and their family. Remember that Cebuanos are optimistic. They endure because they believe that everything will be better. Resilient. Every time that they get knocked off their feet, the Cebuano will rise. Their resiliency is rooted in their optimistic personality. They believe that everything they go through will be over as they are hopeful for their future. Lumadnon. The term lumad means connection to one's place or work. Research on the Cebuano personality shows that Cebuanos are lumadnon. That would mean that they have a strong sense of connection to their place of origin, including their family. They can automatically form a bond with people who came from their birth or even a remote connection with their family. In other places, the Cebuano would seek out on people who are also their locality or speak their language and have formed deep friendship with them. From an outsider perspective, the Cebuano may look like a snob or have no sense of personal space. However, knowing that Cebuano would tell you otherwise there is any misconception about the Cebuano personality, get to know them more by acting with them. Behavior has the heart and needy for the poor, can provide occupation, has a good personality and character, has a good platform, has no issue of corruption. Language use. We have a steep accent, doesn't use po or opo. It has also been influenced by thousands of words from Spanish such as cross, suerte, guapa, mercado, brillante. It has several loanwords from English as well, which are told to conform to the phonemic inventory of Cebuano. Bracelet, high school, shopping, banquet, driver. However, today it is more common for Cebuanos to spell out this word in their original English form rather than with spelling that might conform to Cebuano standards. Nonverbal cues. Bless. It is done by taking the hand of the elder and gently tapping it to one's forehead. This is usually done by someone younger to show respect to the elders and as a way of accepting a blessing from them. It is called mano in Tagalog. Instead of lifting a hand or finger or arm which uses unnecessary energy, Filipinos sometimes use their pouting lips to point at a certain object or direction instead. Many foreigners find this funny and confusing, but this gesture is very common and unique to Filipinos. Nonverbal cues. Nodding and raising eyebrows with a smile. This is one of how Filipinos greet each other in a casual and quick way, acknowledging that you saw the person. This gesture is sometimes followed with a friendly tap in the shoulder if they are within reach. Arms extended while lowering the head. These gestures are commonly done with passing in front of two people talking to each other or crossing a room when someone's watching a TV, followed by an "excuse me." This gesture is seen as a sign of courtesy and respect. The end, and they live happily ever after.